Good morning, afternoon, or night, depending on when you are watching this. Today's video is going to be basically on how to create a drawing file in Inventor. So let's get started. As you can see, I've opened up Inventor here. Yours might look a little different than mine, but all of the cues will be pretty much the same. So what we're going to do first is hit this little eye widget up here. We're going to hit new, hover over new so that this expands. We are going to create a new drawing file. Click on drawing, and it might take some time. Here it is. As you can see, the screen looks a little different than when we were modeling parts in Inventor. So we are going to change this around so it will fit for what we're doing. Right now we have our drawing resources, our sheet, our border, and this is our tag down here, which we will edit later. Right now we are going to change the sheet size. So what we're going to do is hover over sheet and right click, and we are going to go to edit sheet. Name the sheet, so I'm going to just call mine Miss P Puzzle Cube. You can call it whatever you'd like. And we're going to all change it to a size B. Make sure that the landscape radio button is hit and this lower right hand corner radio button is also hit OK. As you can see, the sheet has changed, so now we have a little more space and it's a little more zoomed in. Now what we're going to do is personalize this section down here. Hover over field text and right click, edit field text. Perfect. Now what I want to do is hit this eye properties button. For some reason, I think it's a little glitch in Inventor. It won't let me hit it. If I just click anywhere, that becomes available. So now we're going to click the eye properties. We have a general tab, summary tab, project status, custom, and save. So you can kind of go through these. Let's see what they say. We're going to go to summary. You're going to change the title to Puzzle Cube. We don't need a subject. Author, we're going to change to Miss P. Don't know who that girl is. Ashley. Or actually, you are going to put your name. So you are the author of this drawing file. I'm the author of this drawing file, so I put my name, which is Miss P. And everything else we kind of don't need to fill out. We're going to hit apply and hit close. And as you can see, it changed here. Drawn, Miss P, title, Puzzle Cube, and it automatically puts the today's date. Fantastic. Hit OK on there. Now what we are going to do, since we have our sheet set and our title block set at the bottom right, we are going to place our first drawing file. So since we've been working on our puzzle cube, that's what I'm going to do. We're going to go up here to the Place Views tab. There's also an Annotate tab, Tools tab, Manage tab, etc., like you have in your normal drawing or normal modeling views or assembly views. So we're going to hit on the base here, and we're in Component, File, Select Document. We're going to go over here to find what we want. Now, this is my puzzle cube folder. This is where all my puzzle cubes are located, and also my assembly is located. We're going to click on the assembly, so you can see a little picture of it comes up here, and we're going to hit open. So now a little image comes up over here. First, before setting that down, we need to make some changes here. So we want to keep this on master. We also want to keep level of detail on master. Orientation depends on what you like. We're going to get all 6 sides of the cube anyways, but if you want to change it to current, you can change it to top as you see it changed. You can start with the bottom. It really doesn't matter to me. I'm going to start with the front just because that's how I'm going to do it. We're also going to make sure that the scale is 1:1 here. What happens if we change it? If we change it to 2:1, it's going to blow up. Boom. So it doubled. We have to get 6 sides of this cube on this piece of paper, and it will not fit if we keep it here. So what I'm going to do is move it back to 1:1. Looks like a good size. We're also going to make sure down here We don't want hidden line, so we're going to make sure that hidden line removed is on. And we're also going to click this button, which makes it shaded. And we're going to hit OK. Now it automatically puts it down here, which is fine. We're going to right click and hit OK. Now we're going to grab this and move it over here because we're going to have to project some other views off of here. Now that this is still selected, you can see that by the dotted green lines around it. We're going to go up here, and instead of hitting base, we're going to hit projected now. It's automatically going to take projections off of here. So we're going to move it up, click, move it over here, click, down here, click, and to the left and click. Now you see that they're just boxes right now. When we right click and hit create, it's like magic. They all turned into views of the cube. Now right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but there are 6 views of a cube. So we're going to select this view and we're going to project the last view off of this one. So now we have, we're going to right click and hit create. And now we have all the views we need. But there is still one view that's missing, and it's our isometric view. It's not necessary since we're showing every single view of the puzzle cube, but I like it. I think it looks nicer. We're going to hit this center guy, projected, and then we're going to move it off to the side. Right click, create. And so now we have our isometric view, we have our front view or whatever view you started with, and then you have all the other 5 sides of the cube. And we did fix this sheet, so we're in a B-size sheet, and make sure that your name is down here on drawn, that the correct date is on here, and that the title puzzle cube is on here. And that is how you're going to create your drawing sheet. From here, if you need more practice, you can go back to your puzzle cube pieces and basically do the exact same thing. You can change the title to purple puzzle cube or yellow puzzle cube. This one is just called puzzle cube because it's our final puzzle cube. And I also included this entire drawing tutorial file, and it's available online for you written if you don't want to watch the movie or if you need to go back and need some more clarification. And I hope you have a good rest of your day.